Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad sohihul lisan, NPM 11211331, kelas G5 Management.
It was Sunday. I never get up early on Sundays. I sometimes stay in bed until lunchtime.
Last Sunday, I got up very late. I looked out of the window. It was dark outside. What a day! I thought it's raining again. Just then, the telephone rang. It was my Aunt Lucy. I've just arrived by train, she said. I am coming to see you, but I am still having breakfast. I said. What are you doing? She asked. I'm having breakfast. I repeated. Dear me, she said. Do you always get up so late? It's 1 o'clock.